Hey everybody, this is Kevin at Woodcraft, and today I'm going to show you how to install some Lazy Susan hardware. We've got small, medium, and large in the square size, and large, medium, and small in the round as well. First, you need a base and a top for your Lazy Susan. Our base is just some 1/2-inch plywood, and the top is going to be a panel that we glued up of some 3/4-inch poplar. We're going to mark corner to corner on both of those to find the center. And then we're going to take our Lazy Susan kit. The side with the big holes is going to be your base. And you're going to line that up in the center using some smaller holes here. You get all 4 of those holes on the lines, it'll be centered. You're going to mark those. Then you're going to line up the holes that connect to the top piece with the large holes in the base, and you're going to mark those as well. You're going to drill a hole in there as an access hole so you can screw in from the bottom into the top. Well, after you drill the access holes, you are going to attach the Lazy Susan hardware to the base. Now, with all your holes lined up, the access hole, the hole in the bottom, and the hole in the top of the hardware, you're going to line it up with the center on your top. Just like you did with the bottom, align all the holes, and you'll be centered. Now we just have to attach the base piece and the hardware to the top. Now you're going to use the access holes to screw in. If you're using solid wood, make sure you drill some pilot holes. And there you have it. You can find all of this Lazy Susan hardware and everything else you need for your project at your local Woodcraft store or online at woodcraft.com.